the committee member. And why we are calling him here is in regards to the ongoing process that has been taking place since the last 3 months or so, but due to the 18th general election, Lok Sabha election in India, the process could not continue. That is no other than the PGR and BGR land eviction process. The protest initially led by the Asdc and KSA on 15 February, as we know everybody, and the whole of Kangnipon, including you all cooperated with us to evict the people who are living there in that BGR, especially in Keruni. So the Kangnipon Autonomous Council, under the leadership of Tulira Mohan, took the initiative and served a notification as well after a few days from that day forward that election is going to be very, very certain. And as I have mentioned, due to NCC model code of conduct, due to election will not be started, but Dr. Tulira Mohan, the CEM, Kangnipon Autonomous Council, he himself had a meeting yesterday at a council conference and convened a meeting on the 12th of this month. That is 12 June, 11 a.m. at Kangnipon Autonomous Council conference hall for all the different political parties and organizations in regards to this election to run smoothly, quickly, and permanently. So during those process, we from the Asdc and KSA request and appeal that no party, association, or group should come in the way by means of trying to hijack it or by means of trying to take advantage of that. We are the ones who are doing this. This particular organizations is doing that, or I'm a leading personality from this locality, so we are the ones who is doing this protest and this process. Because of that, the government, the council government, and the state government are compelled to do. This should not be said. This is very strict and this is very sensitive issue. And this is for the whole of Kangnipon, West Kangnipon, Dima South. We need to set an example. Therefore, we all should be cooperated during that implementation of the election. Therefore, we as Chief and KSA once again requested Honorable CM Dr. Tulira Mohan, very big thank to him, also to the Honorable Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, who is cooperating with CM and for the whole of Kangnipon people that this election will be done smoothly and for permanently. There should not be any sorts of limitations, kind of like 10% left, 20% left to be done. This should not be done without any condition. Within any condition, we request Chief Minister Honorable Himanta Biswa Sharma and Dr. Tulira Mohan is going to do that, and we request that they will do it, and we, the people of Kangnipon, West Kangnipon, Dima South, must cooperate with them, and also different political parties, respective of political parties, respective of student organizations, students associations, social organizations, we must come together. This should be doing it, with the cooperation of all. This is what we want to say. From the Asdc report, yes, sir. Yeah.
Ichun po sini kena lasi alang sorting, alang alam cakating, klepon pot churu, lapen ke khala subang so klepon ikan lah, kacira pun ini pada itu biasa, lapen klepon lapen kai tapi kalau mak itu, dan
tapi jauh dari krisi lapen premium pun jauh pancing itu, kita nak tuang pun, kita song kita sih dulu mah.
kasih lagi kai tak continue loh, kita nak halas subang slow panggian ini dengan nama lepen bahkan judis itu lah, kamu
Sorry meeting with Kangnipon Autonomous Council conference hall. Also meeting with all parties, different social organizations from Poko. Saya conduct sih. Aku sisi mana pun ya, cuma move kitchen gitu. Kalau aman, awas saja. Lagi, mungkin lagi cisong tu pun ada lagi. Jom si claim leader tu pun ada lagi cisong nak. Kamu ini cisong pun. Bukan claim pun masih non pun tu, jadi ang cisong kan pun tadi. Kitchen itu pun. Dan klaim pun, kalau Song sedang si klaim populer lagi contoh. Masih lagi si klaim tidak ada lagi song. Non pakai iklim proses si kiceng, jadi start lo kadu bilo, military forces 900%, kaso si non bangku bangke, jesong sudah proses kiceng kan itu, lam ini mesti beliau.
Sebenarnya ini siapa itu kan lah orang ini juga non kali pun mati, lah cuma dapat kali pun cuci mah, mati kapek adim, kapek non kan kapek itu bah bidem. Betul sudah sol klaim lah.
Realization lagi, itu mungkin itu mungkin lagaknya, lagaknya itu thali na ko, dan realization ta, aku tak perlu karya lo mungkin kapre itu aku polis doksi mungkin kan, lagi itu problem itu, lasi, lagi thali lu bukan bang, mana sih bang bang, di bawah, orang dulu mau bang, kami takut dong ini siapa mau tahu saja dong, coba sih, itu mengenai thali na ko, apa yang itu dong, lah karya lo
Long kancang dulu kira bro.
tapi lu kan agak coba cabang dulu. Di cabang itu langsung cabang itu dulu.
Kalau itu kita nampak Februari 8 pen pancing lo video Lapen lo itu kapot 8 Lapen 15 Februari 8 la bangke di Februari pancing lo la sopen 15 bangke kerumi Lapen dokam kam la sopen ngaji lo di tempat pada isi aku tu nak follow lo kerumi lo sudah pendek inang cisong lo ajo copan cisong si Lapen botol di bangke rak aku itu paklo masuk belajar ni konsen pendek tu baru kucing wai nak pokok masuk kucing wai hot itu isi charter of lima masuk poin isi video lo hal masuk poin bangke itu paklang lo kacisong heruni lo masih video kita ini tu ada ke isi poin video guna mau pijar bang sebelum illegal encroacher masuk di poin bangke ibeknya apa halo sebelum kan 100% jitong kalau masuk bang kasih saya satu jitong si klaim ko Lapen net penakiban ke aliran sampai bang halo suliria ke tuntun an efek halo suliria illegal ke tuntun bang ke Asdc ke tuntun bang ke bifil atau hantar notis bifil atau bang ke dolong itu kalau sampai kahol kado we labang so eviction lapor so proses bang ke tindakan paramilitary force kado we nang kok jadi non kita tang jangan jangan langsung solusi election dan isi kasih pola langsung cooperation problem jadi pada election tanang pola langsung kasih cak dulu nanti diklaim dulu lagi election ta dampen lo result PL oke Lapen ke langsung kasih cak pen ke klaim dan pola oke pacun back dan pola langsung sini nang Lapen arjudong lo ini bangga foreign information lo kita arjudong lo langsung cingmai lo 11 jual kita notice people so kita lo sila sorting kan pacun fokus ini kilo jong si josot apa pacun jadi udah lah bangke aku kimolong situ kok kolam cat atau kan tapi public play kalau mesti plan kok sini ning kilo dan harus suka cing ada pudun hema kita tentang problem non happen itu kali si song atau sistemnya pacun tekadal sila solo kayak pacun yang bangke aku sih kan si sa apapun itu problem tadu salah bangsa benefit yang di kuadran ini klaim है इसमें लासो की क्लेम की बोलते ला बang है अंतिम थी orang si non ke teglong ang bang ke di budo la non ke teglong ang tang bang ke ang hin ki thene aske bude no ma dura ma han du kasi pacun ji dan ani jong pacun cek de kopi le pe pacun bai de pacun ji de ke bang dilang ni la ju ke de ta si son si kamat halo tapi non election mon ha si jolang tapi election and filo